YouTube, Yoli here. Want to quickly talk to you about how to choose what wig to purchase based on the cap construction. Let's get into it. Okay, first on the list, let's talk full lace. I know I get a lot of questions sometimes. What does a full lace wig look like? So let's get into it. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you this custom colored bob wig that we have in stock. And it actually is a full lace wig. So how you can tell the difference, and I'm going to turn it inside out, and it's just that. It's a wig where the lace is fully all the way around. So as you can see, you have lace all through the front, to the sides, and all the way through the back. So anytime when you see a wig where you have the lace fully all the way around, that's a full lace. And some of the benefits of a full lace, let me just show it again. So you can see there's lace in the front, lace in the back. You'll have your adjustable straps. Some have adjustable straps in them, some don't, depending on where you purchase your wig at. But this particular wig here, full lace wig, has adjustable straps and combs. And some of the versatility behind a full lace wig is it's very, very, very light because it's lace all the way around in the cap. So if you're looking for something to be very light and airy, this would be the wig for you. Also, typically you see a lot of people purchase full lace wigs when they want the versatility of pulling their hair up into a ponytail. So that's where the full lace comes into play. Because once you cut that lace off the back, you can then pull this hair up. Now granted, this is a bob, so you wouldn't want to necessarily do it, but if you wanted to, you could. But you could pull the hair up after you cut the lace off. And you can pull it all the way up into a ponytail. So that's one of the flexibilities and reasons why you see people get full lace wigs. And again, I'll state it's very light. This area is delicate because of the lace, and you have the flexibility of either just wearing it down your traditional style or pulling it up into a ponytail. So that's your full lace wig. Next up, which is your common, you see most times, is your frontal lace, or sometimes you'll see called lace frontal wig. And here, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to pull another bob wig. And this is a frontal lace or lace frontal wig because there's lace in the front of the wig. So the lace coverage, as you can see, goes all across the front. Totally different than the full lace because you can see there's the cap throughout the back. The lace is only on the front. So your parting space, although you have the flexibility of it being ear to ear and going across your full hairline, your parting space is only within the lace portion of the wig. Again, granted, it is light as well, but again, the lace is only in the front. It's not throughout the cap construction. It's only in the front. So this is what you would consider your lace frontal or frontal lace wig. And depending, this one doesn't have it, but sometimes you'll see some lace frontal wigs. They'll have some lace on the back with the back tabs and the adjustable straps, and you can have a semi-partial option of being able to pull the hair up in the back if you see that lace being offered at the bottom tab where you have the flexibility of putting your adjustments. you see the adjustable straps and you see lace at the bottom, you could, in that small section, be able to pull the hair up. This wig doesn't have it, but some lace frontal or frontal lace wigs do. So you may have a semi option similar to a full lace, but definitely it's not the same, because again, the lace is just that, it's in the front. All right, next up, we're going to talk about is your lace front, and more specifically, your lace closure wig. And we're going to use her to demonstrate that. And your lace closure wig tends to be just that. It's a wig, and the lace is a closure. So on the inside, as you saw previously on the frontal, it went from ear to ear. Our closures are usually anywhere from 4x4, 5x5, 6x6 is typically what you see in your lace closure wigs, and then you have your regular cap construction throughout the back. Now granted, depending on the density or how much hair is whether or not the hair will be lightweight. It won't be as light as you would be on a full lace, but it's definitely still light, and it's your basic wig. Now with your lace closure wigs, these are your beginner friendly put on and go type wigs, meaning you just cut this lace, put on and go. You don't require any adhesives, any type of glue. The only thing you're doing is cutting off that lace and putting your wig on and styling it according to your preference. So this is what a lace closure wig looks like. And this is a stock lace closure wig, meaning it was just manufactured, it's not custom. Okay, and next up, and of course lastly, is your custom wigs. And I think you can, as you can tell, most times with your custom wigs, people are ordering custom wigs because of the head size. Their head may either be too small or too big for your standard manufactured circumference sizes, so they want something more specific to their hair or their personal preference. In addition, density wise, you can probably tell there's more hair added into your custom wigs. Normally you're talking 3, 4, 5 bundles. Now granted, you can add additional bundles, and people do, to your lace frontal wigs, not necessarily a full lace wig. You do with your longer ones if you're not looking for the flexibility of pulling it up into a ponytail, or you put one bundle in the middle. But more so in your lace frontal or your frontal lace wigs, you can add additional bundles to it to make it thicker or increase your density, or you can get you a custom wig and do the same. And on the inside of your custom wigs, this is a custom wig here offered at Yoli Opulence, and this is on one of our basic wig caps with adjustable straps. And of course, this is a closure wig, as you can see. And of course, you have the adjustable straps hiding in the hair, but there are adjustable straps to bring the cap in. But again, as you can see, this is a 4x4 custom wig, and this hair was custom colored to this beautiful caramel chocolate color. So you have that. So hopefully I was able to assist in just walking you through real quick what the inside of a cap looks like when you're talking about a full lace versus a lace frontal versus a lace closure, and lastly, a custom wig. We offer all of these options here at Yoli Opulence, but wanted to definitely show you how they look so that if you were a little bit confused and trying to figure out what best suits you, whether you're the type of girl that is creative, want to be able to pull your hair back, you want the hairline going to cover from ear to ear, you know, that's your lace frontal wig. If you're a person that's always on the go, you just don't have time to put the glue adhesive on, you can get you a frontal wig or a custom wig, and you can put that on, cut the lace and go. And then of course, those who like your traditional lightweight wigs, you still want the versatility, you want it all, and you want your baby to be light, and you want to be able to part it anywhere throughout the wig. You know, just part it anywhere, and you can't really tell. That would be your full lace wigs. Like, you'll have the ability to just part it anywhere because it's all lace. It's kind of hard to see here because this wig is colored, but in your full lace wigs, you can part it anywhere, and it looks really, really natural, especially when you bleach the knots and you tint your lace. So hopefully that helps somebody. And if you have any questions, feel free to just contact us at yoliopulence.com or give us a call. Bye-bye now.